Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about DAX formatting best practices in Power BI. So, one of the main advantages of formatted DAX code is that it would be more visible. If the DAX code is not formatted, then it will be more time consuming to figure it out what the code is doing. So suppose we have a very complex code, 1,000 lines of complex DAX query it is present, and that DAX query is not well formatted. If you want to analyze the DAX code which is not formatted, it will going to consume more time to figure it out what exactly the DAX function is doing. Shift plus enter. This is one of the shortcut key which is used to split out the indent each component of DAX code to make them be more readable. So whenever we are going to write our DAX code, there is a lot of component we generally use, okay, to format and indent each component within the DAX code. Most of the time we use shift and enter, and as we discussed that formatted DAX code would be more readable. If we have an existing DAX query which has thousands of lines, but that DAX is not formatted, then with the help of daxformatted.com we can format that DAX query very quickly. So this is the two DAX code. This is the unformatted DAX code and this is the formatted DAX code. Here, this is a very small example, but let's consider one thing. We are not able to figure it out what is the relationship between the calculate and filter, because this is the one single line of code and we are not able to figure it out what is the relationship between the calculate and filter in this DAX code. But here it is clearly visible that calculate and filter, these two different components are present, and this filter component is a part of calculate, but here it is not. Here we are not able to figure it out that filter is a part of this calculate component. So this is one of the example, but when you are going to work in a live project and the code is very complex, then we get to understand the importance of formatting. So always format your DAX code. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.